Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Aneta here, and today we are gonna talk about callbacks in JavaScript. Last time we were talking about promises, so if you haven't watched that yet, I really recommend you to do this. But for now, let's get started. Callback is a function passed as an argument to another function and is used to finish some kind of operation. A callback function can run after preceding function has finished. Callbacks are most often used with asynchronous functions. Let's take a look at our first example. This is our first function, which will be our callback function. This is the second function, which will be using this callback function. The callback function is gonna print out to the console hello world. Our actual function has callback as an argument without parentheses because it's just a reference to a callback function. Here we are doing some kind of operation. After this operation is finished, we are calling our callback function with parentheses because this is a call to the callback function. We are actually running this function. Here we are calling my function, and as an argument we are going to use this callback function, which means that this function gonna print out hello world to the console. And as I mentioned before, callbacks are most often used with asynchronous functions, and this will be a good example. We are using setTimeout function here, and setTimeout is not synchronous, it's asynchronous function, which use callback as the first argument, and the second argument is time in milliseconds, which is here 3 seconds, actual seconds. And this callback is this function, and this callback is resolved after 3 seconds. And let's make another super simple example. I will have a callback function print my name with a string inside. I will obviously print the name to the console using this callback, and my actual function will be called my name. I will have first name, second name, and of course the callback. Okay. I'm gonna create a variable name, and here I will make a string from my variables fname and sname. And I will call my callback function right now with the name as a string. And the last thing is to call my name function. The first name is Rock and the second name is JavaScript because this is the name of my YouTube channel. And the callback function print my name. And let's see the output. Of course, it's obvious, Rock, JavaScript. Let's make another example, super quick, with setTimeout function. So let's make it asynchronous. First function, which will be our callback, is wait for me with setTimeout. Here I have a callback function console log, some string. Let's say I am waiting 5 seconds, for example. and the second argument is 5 seconds, which is 5,000 milliseconds. The second callback function I'm gonna create is do not wait. Console log. I am first. I'm gonna create the actual function which will be calling those callbacks. It's gonna be called my function. Firstly, I'm gonna add some argument with the string, first callback and second callback. Print out this string. First callback and second callback. And I'm gonna call my function. The string will be hello world. First callback will be my first callback in this script, which is wait for me with the set timeout function, and the second callback will be do not wait. So let's see what will be the output. Okay, the name is wrong. Okay, and we got hello world first, then I am first, and after 5 seconds I am waiting 5 seconds. Okay, that was it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. Also, let me know what do you wanna see in the next video. See you next time.